Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can publish a blog on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I am on my Squarespace page, and this is one of my blogs that I have. This is a completely basically made test post. I already set up a blog. So what you're going to do to set up a blog, if you don't already have one, go into website, go into pages, and then select the plus under main navigation or not linked, select blog and create your blog from there. I already have one, so I'm not going to do anything. So I'm just going to click on the blog over here, and as you can see, we can go into the blog overview, and I have only one of my test posts, and we have blog content. You want to go into blog content, click on the plus to add a new post, and I'm just going to name this test publish, and I'm going to write some random string of letters over here at the bottom just to have some text over here. Now from here you can publish it immediately by clicking publish, or you can click save. If you click save, this is just going to be a draft, and if we exit it, as you can see, it's only a draft. Here, if we click the three dots, you can go into settings and set up everything before you publish it, or you can click on the post and click edit. And now you can go ahead and publish it. You can schedule it for a later date. If you click schedule, you need to select the time and date. However, if you click publish, you can publish it immediately. And now we have our post published. Now you can click the three dots, as I mentioned, add an image, add a excerpt. You can do whatever you want with it, set up the SEO. However, I would recommend you do all of those steps before you actually publish your site. But as it goes for publishing, this is pretty much as easy and simple as it gets. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.